Saluton! Ever heard of Esperanto? Imagine a world where everyone spoke the same language, where signs in Italy, Zimbabwe, Nepal looked like those in Canada, India, and Thailand, where you could order escargot in France the same way you'd ask for tamales in Mexico. This dream of a universal language brought forth Esperanto, the international auxiliary language, and where this Yiddish Esperanto textbook came into existence. This textbook, published in 1909 in New York City, is complete with exercises, grammar tables, and vocabulary, and it sought to bring this vision to Yiddish-speaking Jews. Esperanto was the brainchild of ophthalmologist and native Yiddish speaker Dr. L.L. Zamenhof, or Laser to his friends, in the late 19th century. Tired of the interethnic fighting and anti-Semitism he experienced in Poland, he envisioned that a universal language was the key to utopian harmony. A shared tongue could bring together all cultures of the world, fostering mutual understanding and global unity. Many Yiddish speakers flocked to Esperanto, believing that Zamenhof's universal language may just be the secret sauce for Jewish stability in Europe. Others rejected such an idea, embracing Yiddish or Hebrew as the irreplaceable cornerstones of their identity. In a way, this textbook represents a kind of crossroads for Jews. For certain Yiddishists, the Yiddish language was the claim for legitimacy in Jewish culture through its very difference. Difference in language, religion, lifestyle, sometimes territory, demanded for some a recognition of Jewish nationhood and equality among other peoples. Meanwhile, Esperanto sought equality for all people through a same universal tongue. Ultimately, English succeeded Esperanto as the international lingua franca, and Zamenhof's vision soon faded into obscurity. But regardless of which side of the linguistic aisle you stand, we can all agree that Esperanto was a powerful symbol of hope and imagination, representing how words may just be able to change the world.